The two primary parts of assignment 2.2 are to print the outputs of different variables and to work with list variables. So those will be the things that you will be doing in this assignment and turning into your instructor. We ask that you define at least one string variable and at least one numeric variable. We ask that you also define at least one string list and one numeric list. So with the list, we're looking at multiple items of the same type in there. As always, we expect you to use good naming convention. Make sure you name your variables appropriately. So if it's the person's first name, make sure you put first name. If it's an address, call the variable address. So make sure you name your variables appropriately. What you're going to need to provide as an output is going to be a screenshot showing that you've accomplished the tasks that we've asked for. The next piece here is an output, and with that output we want you to print your first name with a space, of course, your last name, and your age. Now you may also want some text in there to explain what's going on, but in a single line, a single print statement, we want your first name, last name, and age shown in the print statement, and then the results actually executing that print statement. We want you to be able to work with list, so we're asking that you print the second member of a list. So here we are looking for the second member of a list that you can print. For us, we're not specifying if it has to be the numeric list, if it has to be the string list, but just as long as you can print the second member of the list is all that we're asking for. As always, we expect you to use comments, so make sure that you use comments throughout explaining what you did. That makes it easier for you to understand, and it makes it easier for your instructor to grade your outputs.